Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Library. Today, we're diving into a useful Facebook privacy tip. Detail instructions on how to remove or hide all the photos uploaded to your timeline. If you wish to tidy up your whole profile, or even just keep a few things private, this guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. Initially, open your account in Facebook and get to the page where your profile is located. After you have logged in, look for an option that says Photos once you are in your profile page. And here is where we can set the level of visibility of the photos that are within this application. This was set all through the Photos tab, whereby all the pictures that the user uploaded would appear. Subsequently, you will be selecting the album you want to hide, or individual photographic snippets of some posts you would prefer not to see. This can be done over the album or the photo by simply clicking on it. Once the user gets to the desired album or chosen photo, the audience selection option will be seen. A world symbol for everyone, friends sign for friends, or a gear icon. Select the icon and deselect everybody by clicking on Only Me to make the created album or picture only seen by you. If you wish to hide several photos or albums, then simply continue with the process for each of the photos or albums. If you want to make changes to the settings, use the slider button or tap the plus or signs to increase or decrease the volume, depending on the device you are using. When done, press the Done or Save button to save the changes. And that's it. The content in your albums is now invisible to your friends but visible to you. Maintaining your privacy settings for Facebook does not have to be complicated, and here are some ways. By doing this, one makes sure that nobody apart from the desired friends view the photos, and also make the timeline have the content that is desired. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like this tutorial, please do hit the like on this video. Feel free to comment on this video. Also subscribe to our channel Tech Library for more tech tutorials. See you next time.